here from all our different schools all across San Diego, and most of us have our cameras, some of us don't, but we come here, we test out cameras, just get a little bit deeper insight on how our cameras work and how we can make our photos better.
We're learning interesting things about photography and cameras.
It's a chance to get high school students that are into photography to come to college and see what it's like to work in a college atmosphere. And so far they seem to really enjoy it.
For high school students, these courses are absolutely free.
So they said that we can actually take classes for free while we're in high school, so that was really interesting to know.
A program like this, where it really stresses the vocational side, can give them a leg up when it's time to go out and try to get work as an image maker, because that's not something you can completely automate. It's not something that reduces itself easily to an algorithm.
There was this one station where we did photograms, where you take photo paper and you put objects on it and expose it to light to make black and white images without using a camera.
This is the only field trip we get to go to, so it's such a big thing for us because all of our photos are on campus unless we decide to shoot outside of school. But this allows us to actually get models, and they're already dressed up, and we already have sets already set up for us. We don't have to set it up, so it's really nice to have this opportunity.